A security inspection is a regular inspection of a rental property that is conducted by the landlord or property manager to ensure that the property is properly maintained and that the terms of the lease agreement are being followed. Security inspections typically include checking the condition of the property, looking for damages or repairs that are needed to be made, identifying any health and safety hazards, and more. They are usually done periodically, on a monthly, quarterly, or annual basis, depending on the agreement between the landlord, the tenant, and on state laws. During a security inspection, the landlord and property manager may also check for any violations of the lease agreement, such as unauthorized pets or additional occupants, and may also take note of any changes that have been made to the property without prior approval. This inspection is typically scheduled in advance, and tenants are given notice before it takes place.